That's right. Got something extra special for you today. I'm making my bourbon bacon jam breakfast burger. Best burger you're ever gonna have. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, give this a try, let me know what you think. But let's get going. So, like I said, it's a bourbon bacon jam breakfast burger. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my bacon here, and we're gonna dice up our bacon. We're gonna make our bacon jam over on the stove. So we'll make our bacon jam, set it to the side, we'll get our burgers going, then we'll come in, we'll make us a spicy Dano's mayonnaise, we'll top it with some pickles and some cheese and a fried egg, and I'm telling you guys what?
You're gonna love this.
So step one is to get your bacon out. I got 1 pound, or maybe it's 12 ounces. 12 ounces of bacon. We'll just say 1 pack of bacon. So we'll just take our bacon here and we'll cut it in
small, little pieces.
Like I said, first thing we're gonna do is cook the bacon. And once the bacon's cooked, about part of the way, well, we'll cook the bacon. You just don't wanna make the bacon super crispy, because what we do is we'll pull it out and then we'll throw in our onions, our bourbon, our maple syrup, and we'll make the jam, and then we throw the bacon back in, and it'll be ready to top our burgers. So pay attention. It's not rocket science. It's just Dano's. Did you like those J's? My girl got me those for my birthday. Check them out. Oh, yeah, look at that. My friend Jody sent me the socks. They got little chickens and eggs on them. So thank you, Jody. Thank you, girlfriend. So we got our bacon chopped up. Now we're gonna get us some shallots. You can use onion. I'm using shallots. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. I'm just gonna cut them in little slivers, and they'll break apart as they cook. Now I always brag that I've never cut myself in the kitchen. Maybe not since I was a little kid. I don't even remember if I ever cut myself with a knife. But I'm kind of walking a thin line right now because I can barely hang on to this shallot as I cut it, because I got a little bacon grease on my hand. So just remember, if I cut my finger off, I only did it because I love you. So, next step, we're gonna go on and get the bacon cooking. We're gonna throw some Dano's in it. We're gonna make our bacon jam, so pay close attention. Step one of making your bacon jam, add that bacon we just cut up. And the most important thing, get your spicy Dano's. You can go original, or you can go spicy. I like to go spicy. And I'm not cooking this for anybody else but just me and the camera crew. So we're going spicy because we all like it spicy. So we're gonna pop the top. We're gonna hit this trigger finger just like that. That pop pop, that pop pop. Pop that trigger finger a couple good times in there. And let that flavor cook into that bacon. Get it all separated so we get an even cook. Can you smell that? Every day you cook with Dano's in the kitchen is like Thanksgiving. We'll just let it sit there and sizzle for a few minutes. Then stir it up, sizzle and stir.
Sizzle and stir.
And then we'll pull it, and then we'll continue to make our jam. All right, y'all, so you can see this bacon, it's getting kind of crispy. You don't want to get it super crispy because we're gonna cook it again. So we're gonna pull this bacon and set it to the side, just like so. You want to talk about some damn good bacon grease.
That's some damn good bacon grease right there.
Save that little bit. And we'll go in with our shallots. I had everything on almost a high temperature. It's between medium and high, so I didn't move it the whole time. Now, we're gonna add our Blanton's. Some high-end Kentucky bourbon right here. A lot of you can't get Blanton's. We live in Kentucky, so I can get 1 bottle every 3 months from the distillery. But I'm gonna go in and deglaze this and add that bourbon flavor in. So probably about 1 ounce. So there's our bourbon. Now, oh, you wanna talk about smelling good. It smells like a distillery in here now. And it smells good.
Smells dang good.
Oh yeah. And we're not gonna forget to add a little bit of that pop pop. Pop the top, pop it a couple times in there. That extra added damn good flavor. So that alcohol's cooked out. We're gonna add in our maple syrup. Let this continue to cook down. That maple syrup will thicken up quite a bit. So just let that continue to cook. Let it sizzle. I'm gonna throw it on high. As that maple syrup continues to cook, all the moisture in there, the water or whatnot, is gonna cook out, and it's gonna leave it. It's gonna thicken up really nice. We'll add the bacon in, and our bourbon jam bacon syrup will be done. As it starts to get really bubbly, that's just any of the water like cooking out of that syrup. It's gonna thicken right up for us. It's called a
Reduction.
All right, now we're getting there. This has only been cooking from the time I took the bacon out, added the bourbon, added the shallots, added the maple syrup. It's probably only been a total of 5 or 6 minutes. We're gonna take our bacon, add it right back in, and we'll just cut the heat. So we got it turned off, and we'll just let this sit there, and it'll continue to thicken up as it cools down. But as you can see, get a good view of this, it's starting to get syrupy. You got those shallots in there. I'm telling you guys what, this on a burger is gonna be amazing. All right, so now let's tend to these burgers. All right, you guys, so one of the biggest parts of making the best burger is not everything you put on it. It's actually the burger itself. We're lucky because we live in Kentucky, and we have this Kentucky Cattleman's ground beef. This is 2 half-pound burger patties, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why this is the best burgers on the market. It's sold in all the Krogers in the Kentucky region, so unfortunately you can't get it unless you live in Kentucky. But what they do that's special with these burgers is it's the whole cow processed in here. When they butcher their cattle, they don't strip it down and separate the brisket, the filet, the sirloin, all that. It's
All in one.
so you can see these are some big burgers. You literally take these out of the package. Drew, would you mind to hand me a paper towel, please? We'll get my hands cleaned off here. Getting ready to grab that Dano's and do a little sprinkling. I'm gonna grab the Dano's OG because I got a bottle with your name on it.
Right there.
I'm gonna give it a little pop pop. Just like that. You might think that I'm heavily coating that, it's way too much. No, my friends, that's the right amount. So we're gonna take these out, we're gonna throw them on the grill. We might hit spicy on the other side. We're gonna throw it on the grill smoker, and we're gonna let these bad boys smoke. We're gonna top it with some cheese, and then we're gonna come in and finish the rest of this burger off. We're gonna make our spicy mayonnaise. We're gonna do our Dano's pickles. You guys, I'm telling you what, don't go nowhere. We're almost there. All right, let's go throw them on the smoker. Got Drew out here on his live video.
Yeah, we on a live. Let's go.
So we got the grill smoker fired up here. I set it to like 450, so it's just now heating up. But we're gonna go on and throw these bad boys on. Hit it just like that. Pop, 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 pop. All right, so we're gonna flip our burgers. I'm gonna get my handy dandy spatula here. We're gonna flip these burgers real quick. Look at that. Oh yeah. Be ready in just a bit. Burgers are almost done. Bacon jam's ready to go. We're gonna lay these buns open. I like to use this Dave's, what's it called? Dave's, let me see, hang on. These are by far my favorite burger buns.
Dave's Killer Bread.
Best burger buns you can buy right there. I got me some Duke's mayonnaise. If you know about Duke's, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know about Duke's, hopefully your store has some. Get you some Duke's. We're gonna pop the top on this spicy Dano's. We're gonna make us a spicy Dano's mayonnaise. So we'll just mix that right in. What's funny, what I just noticed is this actually isn't spicy Dano's. This is my Chipotle recipe. If you notice, it's a little darker. So we're gonna find out what that tastes like. And that Chipotle recipe is not ready for you all yet, but it will be soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned and get it when it drops. We got our mayonnaise mixed up. We'll just go on and put it on our buns here. It's gonna be awesome, you guys. I'm telling you what, we're gonna put a spicy Dano's spicy pickle on these. We're gonna build this burger and we're gonna enjoy it.
That's that. Now let's go get our burgers.
All right, so we're gonna flip these one more time. Look how juicy that is. I'm telling you what, you guys, the best burgers you'll ever have right there, especially with that Dano's on it. 2 pieces of Kobe Jack cheese on each one. We'll give that another couple minutes and we'll build this burger. Get us a couple little blackened fried eggs. So we got our Dano's blackened fried eggs. Make sure y'all subscribe or go watch this video we're getting ready to post. It may already be posted by the time this is posted, but definitely check out how we make Dano's blackened eggs. Look at this, watch this flip.
That's a blackened egg, my friends.
Yum, yum, get you some. All right, y'all, so now it's time. It's time to build this burger and get a bite. We're gonna bring in the team and we're all gonna get a bite together. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time to do it, because after you watch this, I'm telling you what, you're gonna wish you did. So let's build this burger. Everybody's been doing those ranch pickles. I'm telling you what, put some spicy Dano's in pickles. That's beating the ranch for sure. So we're gonna get our spicy pickles out. We're gonna build this burger right up. We'll lay that pickle right there like that. All right, so now let's get this burger on. Lay the burger on just like so. Now it's time for the bacon jam. Look at that, let it sit for a minute. Look at that, look at the consistency of it. It's perfect. So we'll just put this bacon jam right on. Just like that.
Put a lot of it on there.
Put that fried egg. This is the runny one, the other one is not runny. We got our fried egg. Now we go on with our topper, just like that. Now I need a knife.
Let's get photos of it first.
You want me to just move this to the side?
Yeah, that's actually perfect because this juice run out on this side is amazing. Whoa.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, so now it's time. We're gonna get us a bite. Oh, look at that. My friends, let me tell you what. That's how you make it.
Bourbon, bacon jam, breakfast burger.
Now we're gonna bring everybody in. We're gonna get us a bite. All right, now it's time to get a bite. Best burger you ever Dan had.
All right, let's try this,
Let's
Dan.
see.
Let's see what the hype's about.
It's big.
It's all maple. Maple syrup, I like it.
Definitely tastes maple syrup.
It's like a flavor explosion in my mouth.
The crunchiness of the pickle.
It's unbelievable. The right amount of heat,
It's fire.
the sweetness.
You totally need like 4 or 5 napkins.
Like if you could jump through this camera and taste this.
It's good. I'm gonna go ahead and chat on the entire thing.
Might need these.
Thanks, GoPro.
My man, GoPro Joe hooking up with the napkin.
For real. That's how you make a dang good burger. If you guys hadn't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Try this recipe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Until next time, keep sprinkling, my friends.
Always keep sprinkling.
Take it serious. I showed them that I